obviously to win. I mean, that's why you're involved. That's what the teams strive to be. We'd love Dan to win, and obviously, but any of the other three can do it. That would be marvellous, like last year. It's going to be incredibly tough this year. I personally think the reg changes will favour Dan, and we don't lie to anybody in the team. I mean, Dan is our favourite, so.
Well, to win. To compete at the highest level, to be the best versions that they can be of themselves, and ultimately to win. You know, we've got the champion within the team already, and you know, it's got a chance to become the greatest ever touring car driver. So I think the whole team and all the sponsorship around it is geared up to success this season.
Oh, well, the hopes are we hope Napa Racing has a great season, and whichever driver wins the championship, that's what we hope for. But hopefully the Napa team itself comes out as champions. And for our brands, Ring and Osram, it's more about not just the exposure, but also partaking in all the race weekends and having fun with customers and anyone else that we decide to invite to the days. It's also the enthusiasm that the BTC has during the season. You know, ITV Sport will be covering it, so there's just a whole lot of activity around the event in general that we can really get behind, and it's going to be a great season. It's going to be fantastic.
The usual hope is we want to win. As I think David Essex said, not to lose now, but to win. And that's exactly what we intend to do.
Well, it'd be marvellous if they could repeat their successes from last year, which is fantastic. Being associated with the championship winning team, that's something that we're very proud to be a part of.